It is a little tricky and difficult to write a powerful conclusion. Unlike many students think that it is not as important, or it doesn't have a structure and functions, so to speak. So one can write freely to end it any way as one pleases. In most cases, just repeat the ideas in exact words or rush out with a haste. We will teach you the skills needed to strengthen the conclusion that will leave the readers a touch and echoes with a "oh yes," and silence your enemies for good. There are these 3 basic requirements for IELTS essay, and more for TOEFL and SAT, though in different terms, to name the same ingredients. You should not do each practice separately, as they are naturally related. However, before you master all these skills coordinately, having a structure in mind to frame your essay will just do as good. We too will teach you each aspect of language and writing skills in our series courses to come very soon. Please bear in mind and come check it out with us often. Please also let me know where are your difficulties and what you want to learn or want us to teach you. We will create the course for you. Thank you, my dear. See you again very soon.